boys and girls, it is time for some math. All right, so you're going to need your math paper for today with a pencil, and it's time to play some Severson Store, and we're going to subitize today. We're going to have a lot of fun, okay? All right, let's go ahead and get the paper that you need for today. You are going to get page 157 and 158. All right, so we have been learning about skip counting, and we skip count by tens. Super easy. In fact, let's just try it. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We can do by fives. Give it a try. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. We're also going to skip count like the first graders, and we're going to count by twos. The first part of counting by twos is kind of easy because if you play a baseball or soccer or any kind of sports, they'll go 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? Well, I appreciate you guys. But have you heard that chant before? So we're going to learn how to skip count by twos. I know. I can't take it. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Are you ready? Counting by twos. Counting by twos.
Now you start with the number 2, and as you go along, skip every other number and practice this song. Start with 2, that's what you're gonna do. Who's ready? I'm ready to start with 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Counting by twos. Counting by twos. Let's do it again, but let's go higher. 2, 4,
Come on
6,
now, you can do
8,
it.
10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
All right.
Counting by twos. Counting by twos. Let's do it again, but go even higher. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30.
Oh, yeah.
Counting by twos. Counting by twos. Counting by twos. We could go even higher, but I'm getting tired. Counting by twos.
All right, boys and girls. That is so funny, that count. All right, boys and girls, I'm proud of you. We're going to sing that song a lot because we want to get really good at counting and even writing by twos. All right, so now it's time for us to play Severson Store. So we're going to practice our coins first because we're going to be mixing them up. Are you ready? All right, so what is this coin called? That's right, it's called a penny. Abraham Lincoln is on our penny. He's our 16th president. I can hear Ben saying that. A penny is worth what, boys and girls? 1 cent. Turn to your shoulder partner and tell them one fact about a penny. Okay, good job. This coin right here is called a nickel. That's the Monticello on the nickel. The nickel is silver and smooth, and it's worth 5 cents. Tell your shoulder partner something about a nickel. All right, smarty pants. This right here is called a dime. A dime is the smallest silver coin, has little ridges on the corner of it. A dime is worth 10 cents. Tell your shoulder partner something about a dime. And this big guy right here is worth a quarter. A quarter is worth 25 cents. It has George Washington on the front of the quarter. It's like having 25 pennies in one, okay? Tell your shoulder partner something about a quarter. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna sell 3 things at Severson Store. Got one of those cute little frogs that like jumps around all over the place. So I'm gonna put him right there. I have another ring, and I will put this in your packets for you if you get called. So I have a little ring that could be for a boy or a girl. It has a tiger on the front. And then I have one of those sticky slapsticks like that. So let's go ahead and put this right over here. All right, so we are going to sell some items that you're going to have to use 2 coins to purchase. So I'm going to put some dimes right here, and then I'm going to put some pennies right here. Okay, so if you get called, you might have to use 2 different kinds of coins. Woo, never done that before. All right, let's see this guy right here. How much is that frog? 12 cents. Good job. All right, I have my items for sale. Well, let's see, who is it gonna be that takes home the prize? Let's see. Hey, Ben, how you doing? Button has 3 sounds in it. All right, Benny boy, what would you like to purchase? Do you want to purchase the frog, the ring, or the slapstick? How about we go with this? Are you good with that, Ben? All right, Ben, that costs 12 cents. I don't have 12 pennies, so what can I use first? Did you say a dime? Good job, Ben. A dime is worth 10 cents. This costs 12 cents. 10 cents. Think about counting up. So if I say 10, how many pennies would I need? I would need 2 pennies. Watch. 10, 11, 12. Let's put it over here. 10, 11, 12. Did you see something, boys and girls? Look. See that 1? It's in the 10 pocket, so you need 1 dime. The 2 is in the 1's pocket. 2 pennies left over. A dime and 2 pennies. Ben, awesome job. I'm so proud of you. Let's give Ben a firework. Ah, great job, Ben. I'm going to put this, tiptoeing it over to Ben's packet. All right, Ben, great job, buddy. Now, we're going to go ahead. I'm going to move my coins back down, and we're going to sell something else. Let's see. Drum roll. Who is it? Who is it? Oh, it's my buddy Aaron. All right, Aaron, what are you going to buy? All right, Aaron, let's see. I think Aaron's going to like that sloppy stick. What do you think, Aaron? You like it? All right, Aaron, I do not have 16 pennies. So I'm going to have to use something that is worth 10 cents first. What do you think that is, Aaron? That's right, it's going to be a dime. A dime is worth 10 cents. So I have 1 dime in the 10's pocket. Aaron, how many pennies am I going to need? Did you say 6? Let's see, everyone say 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Look, 1 dime and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pennies. Woohoo! Good job! You guys are counting coins like the big kids. All right, Aaron, this is for you. And I'm going to run over, whoop, and I'm going to put that right on your packet. And you're going to be able to get that when Mom and Grandma comes and exchanges it. All right, there's only 1 item left. Let's see, who is it going to be? Who is it going to be? Let's see. Benny. All right, Benny, I think you got called the last time. What do we say? She's blessed. All right, Benny, you get the tiger ring. Benny, how many dimes am I going to use? I can't use pennies because I don't have 14. So I need a dime to start off with. How many dimes? Benny, did you say 1 dime? 10. Great job. job, Benny. And then how many pennies? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Benny, did you say 1 dime and 4 pennies? All right, Benny, let's give her a truck driver cheer. Ready? Good job, good, Benny. Honk, honk. All right, Benny, you get the ring. Thank you for playing Severson Store. I hope that you guys will come again and play with me. I like it when you guys play. All right, and I'm going to put this on Benny Boo's packet. All right, Benny. All right, so boys and girls, we are going to practice sabotizing right now. We haven't sang that song for a while. I'm going to go ahead and put it on, and you guys are going to tell me. It's a new song. It's Sabotizing with a Pirate. I know you guys have added with the pirate, but I'm going to sabotage with the pirate, and I know you like that song. So sit up nice and straight and tall, and try to say the number without counting. Are you ready?
Sabotage with a pirate. Think fast and say the set. Sabotage, fill in the blank. Think fast or walk the plank. That's right, shipmates. No counting allowed on this boat. Say the amount in the set quickly or walk the plank. Sabotage with a pirate. Think fast and say the set. Sabotage, fill in the blank. Think fast or walk the plank. Yo ho ho, mathematicians, it's time to sabotage again. Think fast and tell me how many. Sabotage with a pirate. Think fast and say the set. Sabotage, fill in the blank. Think fast or walk the plank. I can see it with me eyes now. It's our last set of pirate belongings. Fill in the blanks if you dare.
Good, boys and girls. That's always a lot of fun. All right, before we get on with our paper, I wanted to go ahead and practice writing by twos. All right, so we learned how to count a little bit by twos. Let's see what it would look like to write by twos. Are you ready? So we would go 2, we're going to jump over 3 and write 4, jump over 5, write 6, jump over 7, write 8, jump over 9, and write 10. So we'd say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I would like for you to get your whiteboards out, and I would like for you to write 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 3 times on your whiteboards. Okay? Great job. Now, before we do our whiteboards and our papers, I want to practice that double-digit addition with you guys for the ones that are ready for it. Okay, so do you remember we're going to put our problem tall like a tower. I'm going to go ahead and do, let's just put 12 right here, plus, let's say, 4 right here. So when you are doing a math problem that has 2 numbers, double digits, you have to remember the ones pocket and the tens pocket, and you're going to go down. So you have to think about an arrow being right there, and you're going to say 2 plus 4. 4 is the bigger number, so you're going to say 4, 5, 6. So 2 plus 4 is 6, and then you're going to bring down that 1. There's nothing right there, so you say 1 plus 0 is 1. So 12 plus 4 equals 16. I know some of my kinders are thinking, what? And you don't have to worry about that. If your child is not ready for that kind of addition, it's totally okay. Just want to introduce it to some of the ones that are my mathematicians of the world that are ready to do a little bit of challenge work. Let's try another one. Are you ready? Let's say 15 plus 10. Whoa, that would be a big number to count, huh? We don't have that many fingers, do we? So we have 2 digits, which means 2 numbers. We're going to go down for the ones pocket first. So 5 plus 0. If we have 5, and I give you 0 more, what do I have? I have 5 still, so I'm going to bring that 5 down. Everything's going to come down. And I'm going to say 1 plus 1 equals 2. So 15 plus 10 equals 25. Whoa! So parents, if your child is ready for some double-digit addition, you can just write some math problems on their whiteboard for them and help them to learn them. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get out our math paper right now. And it's going to look like this. It's page, I think it's page 157 and 158. Let me check really quick. Yep, 157 and 158. Okay, did you notice that this paper right here has a little trim on it? Those are review and kindergarten. Yay! All right, so let's see what it says. You're going to write your name and today's date. The short date today is 4-27. Okay, and it says, number 1, it says match the pennies to what they will buy. We know that a penny is worth 1 cent. So you're going to go ahead and count the pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What item can you buy for 5 cents? Looks like a piece of gum maybe, or hard candy. Draw a straight line. Okay, on number 2 it says color the picture using the color code. If you find a number 10, color it yellow. If it's number 11, you color it red. If it's number 12, you color it brown. If it's number 13, you color it green. And number 14, you color it blue. Hey, I think that's a banana split. I love banana splits. They're delicious. Okay, when you finish, you're going to turn it over. And you're going to go ahead, and it says count and write how many, and then color the robot. So you're going to look for the squares, write how many there are, look for the triangles and the rectangles and all the shapes. Be careful because there's some very small ones and there's some that are inside of other ones. You have to be careful about that. Number 2 says read the numbers on each lunchbox. Match each lunchbox to the sandwich with the number that comes next. Easy breezy. So you say 3, 4. What comes after 4? 5. So you just draw a straight line. All right, guys. You guys got this. Do your very best work. Color your best. Make sure your numbers are going the right direction. After we finish this, it's time for you to go outside and play. I'll see you in a little bit for story. Love you.